Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set the description in YouTube channel like this example. See here how to show this in your channel. You have home, videos, player, channel, about, so it's in about there. So first, when you open your Chrome and you click www.youtube.com, click on your profile, make sure you log in your Gmail, click on channel here, and then you click on customize channel. So it will come up like this, or if you not show like this, you can click on customize channel here. We have dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, common, subtitle, copyright, monetization, and customization. So click on this one and click on basic information. Scroll down, you see here translation for channel name and description. Click on this one. See, you can see here. Yeah, that's the one that I show you at the beginning. See here. So you can write down here and then you can click done. It will come up here. Example, I will delete this one. Wait, I copy this one. Copy. Yes. Except I delete this one. Oh, there's no delete. Done. I click publish. So go back here and restart. You see? About this no here. But if you come up here again, click on this one here, write down on here, click it back, click done, publish. Come up here and restart. You see, it's come up. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.